Bermuda, make some noise, man. Give it up for the Don, y'all, the comedians y'all seen. Flew me over here from the States, man. I'm glad to be doing something that I love. I'm broke, though. I'm broke. You ever been so broke you go to church and pray to the Lord for the wrong stuff? It's at my church. Lord, please let me rob this motherfucker one time. I'm up here telling jokes for cell phone money. Really, I got the $99 plan is $250. Anybody have one plan? You know, the apps on the iPhone. I can scan something at the store and it can tell me where I can buy something cheaper. It's called the barcode app. I'm cheap. I be at the Lord. I don't know if they have it over here, but a dollar store, scan. Look at my phone and say, steal that shit. I was like, I like this phone.
Steal that shit.
I don't know, man. Yeah, so y'all parents, anybody got kids? Y'all got kids? Yeah. I don't have no kids yet. I have a condom on right now. It's really working out. I don't want them, you know. I'm just a little scared. I gotta get the relationship thing right first, you know. I gotta find the right woman. I like ladies that like to cook. Any ladies like to cook? Maybe all y'all have multiple orgasms for the rest of your life, okay? The rest of y'all kill yourself. I hate you so much. A girl, because when a woman fixes a plate of food for a guy, all it does is let your man know that you care about him. That's all a plate of food saying, you know? She told me she was gonna fix me something to eat. Now, when a woman tell me that, I expect to hear shit like, I'm in the room, I hear, woo, woo, woo. She come back 2 minutes, 30 seconds later with a plate of eggs and grits and shit. Lazy motherfucker, who microwave toast? Who the fuck? That's real, man. That's the problem. I'm working out. And then she says she's gonna fix me dinner. Now, dinner means a whole situation, you know. Some meat, potatoes, some bread, some vegetables, maybe a beer, right? Plate match. Let me know that she cared. Based on the plate of food that she gave me, I knew that she didn't give a fuck about me. She fixed me one chicken leg, some baked beans out of a can, and one deviled egg. Now, don't one egg make two deviled eggs? She's selfish in the motherfucker. And she masturbated a lot. I heard in Bermuda, y'all just got 3 sex toy shops. Man, y'all got a little sex toy shop, right? So the ladies don't want to admit it. Some of them got them in their pocketbook right now, fellas. They be using them at work. You know what? This girl getting on my nerve. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Welcome to KFC. How may I help you? I hate them things. It make a woman come 30 times in 2 minutes. Ain't a man dig on this island know how to do that. We did it, we wouldn't live here, I'll tell you that. I told her, my girl uses it every day. I got sick of it. I got jealous of it. I said, you know what? I hope one day you put it on your clit, it's short circuit and it's flood. That's what I hope. Use all your leave. I don't care. Lesbians are taking over all over the world. That's cool, you know. 2 ladies bumping, eating coffee, whatever you want to do. My little cousin came out the closet this summer. We had a little family function. She came out the closet. She was like, Eddie, me and my girlfriend's gonna go out. So you and your girlfriend? I said, yeah, that's my girlfriend. I said, oh, okay, well, fuck, I go out with y'all. It's 3 women and me. All right, I'm gonna go. I got them drunk as shit now. I got them so drunk that the man you know, I got her so drunk, she tried to fuck me. She had me like I was a girl in the corner. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do a little something. That's how she sang. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do a little something. I said, you realize if we fuck, I'm the boy. I don't give a fuck about your shape up or nothing. Bermuda's a nice place. You gotta spend time with your family. We just did a family function celebrating my dad coming home from rehab, which is cool. Anybody been raised by a dope fiend besides me? Bermuda. I've been riding around your house. Somebody been raised by a dope fiend besides me. Well, if you never had a dope fiend helping with your homework, you ain't never leave. I'm gonna tell you that right now. My father used to help me with math when I was little. He used to help me like, Daddy, 7 times 7 is They said, Eddie, work a problem on the board. I'm like, cool. 7 times 7 is all. Teach me going West Bus. We're going to put them in a smaller class, okay? Get them fitted for a helmet and a brand new bus. I don't know, man. I just moved out of my mom's house, though, y'all. You can give it up for that. Yeah. Okay. Right in my father's house. It's tough living with him. We wearing my clothes and shit. Come downstairs. Hey, how I look? I'm like me, nigga. Where's your shit at? I don't know, man. Been hanging out. Bermuda's a beautiful place. This is my first time here. Okay, this is my first time telling jokes in any other country. This is the first one, so y'all have, pop my cherry. I appreciate it. This motherfucker, y'all, hey, wait, how do I explain this? Okay, I paid $75 for some chicken strips, French fries. Cost me $300 for some weed. $300. Strip clubs over here, no strip clubs, no nothing. But y'all drink. Y'all really drink. Last night proved it, okay? I had my friend. You ever see a drunk person try to holler at a woman in the club but you think he's doing something? Your husband or something, clap. Yeah. Clap. I hope y'all break up, really. I can't find the right woman, man. My last lady was so jealous. I don't like jealous women. Like, jealous women are really hard to break up with. You know? Fellas, you ever have a girl so crazy she make you crazy? My last lady smacked my head at 6 o'clock in the morning with a newspaper. Bah! I was reading your horoscope this morning. It said somebody new coming into your life. Who is the bitch? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't even know what my sign is. What the fuck? Let me read your horoscope. Scorpio. You supposed to get head Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's Tuesday morning. Step into your destiny. Alright. Y'all have been absolutely wonderful. Again, my name is Eddie Bryan. Enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.